Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put your own custom video wallpaper or any Android lock screen. See here. So I just unlocked the phone and this is the video. Currently you're watching. This is the video. I just recorded here to test this and it is working perfectly fine. And this is for free of cost. Okay. Again, I'll be locking this. And this is on the lock screen, right? See. So you can also put this custom video wallpaper on your Android mobile by simply one option. Actually this option is with this maybe whether it is visible or not. Yeah, with this app it is possible. This video wallpaper, I'll be showing you that. Okay, this is from the Zippo apps. You need to open the Play Store here, and on the search you can search as video live wallpaper. Okay, video live wallpaper, and out of this you need to choose this publisher, Zippo apps. See here, around more than 10 million downloads were there, and just observe the publisher name here, Zippo apps. Okay, once you install this Zippo apps, open this will ask for the premium version or 3-day free trial or the limited version. I just chosen the limited version here. Okay, when I open this, here you will find limited version. Maybe I can uninstall this and reinstall this so that I can get that screen. As I uninstalled and I'm already using this, I'm not seeing that. Maybe I'll be uninstalling this once. I'll be reinstalling this so that I can show you the actual screen, what you will see when you install this for the first time. So open this. Yeah, this is what you will see. You need to choose or try limited version. If you want some premium version, you can get that, or click on try limited version. You need to give the permission for the access for it to take the camera videos. So these are the videos on my camera right now. So whichever the video you want, you can select that. So there will be ad displaying the video ad. You need to watch that. So if you watch the video ad, then yeah, now this is the video, right? This is the video on my camera, and you can click on set wallpaper launcher, set wallpaper, and I'll be choosing only on the lock screen as my requirement is just for the lock screen. Okay, now I'll locking the screen. Yeah, see, this is the video. You can put any of your video. Okay, your custom video. I hope this video helps. If it is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.